Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where today we're going to make probably the best dessert of all time, a fluffy strawberry meringue or strawberry pavlova, whichever you prefer to call it. So we're going to start off and we're going to make a strawberry sauce. So we start by washing and hulling some strawberries and putting them into a blender. We add some lemon juice, some icing sugar, then we blend them for 30 to 60 seconds just until they're pureed. Once they're pureed, you can taste them just to see if they're sweet enough, and if not, add some extra sugar. And now we're over to make our meringues. So we take some fresh egg whites, pop them into a stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, just an ordinary hand mixer will do. Just make sure that the bowl is clean so that the egg whites will form peaks. We start off slowly, and once our egg whites start to form peaks, then we'll start to add our sugar. So we add our sugar 1 spoonful at a time, just whisk it until it's dissolved before we add the next spoonful. And you'll watch the meringue mix start to get more glossy. Now with the speed up fully, we'll add the last of our sugar and we'll whip it for another minute or two. Once it's finished, you can take the meringue mixture and rub it between 2 fingers just to make sure that all the sugar is dissolved. Now over to our baking sheet. A pro tip here is take some of the meringue and just dab it on each corner, and this will hold your greaseproof paper in place while you bake your meringues. Now we place our greaseproof paper on top, and it's time to spoon our meringues onto the greaseproof paper. You should get 6 to 8 meringues out of this one. Just make sure that you leave plenty of room between them, because they will expand whenever we're cooking them. And now over to our preheated oven. It's a 140 degrees fan or 150 degree for a plain oven. Pop the meringues in, let them cook for 45 to 50 minutes. Turn the oven off and let them sit in there for about another 10 minutes. As you can see, our meringues are lovely and crispy, nicely browned. Take them out of the oven. Take them off the baking tray and pop them onto a wire rack to cool. And now we're ready to serve our meringues. So I like to garnish my plate with some strawberry balsamic vinegar. Just give it a swirl round. Pop the meringue on top. Load it with some freshly whipped cream. Drizzle over our strawberry syrup. And serve with a sprig of mint. Now folks, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and watch it till the end for some more of my videos.